going on? Welcome to Richard's Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Friday. We got a really cool Volkswagen Beetle. This is gold and red with decals, and this one's gold and red without decals. Both on a Tyco Pro 2 chassis. 2 for the price of 1. Yes, sir. Tyco Pro 2, which is a lot nicer than the Tyco Pros. They don't have the little wipers. They have little brushes, round brush. They still have the long guide pin, which is kind of a pain in the butt, but it goes on a dyno. And this one has chrome wheels. This one has so I'm not sure which one's right and which one's wrong. But I'll bring you guys around here and we'll check them out. Alright, I'm going to look this bad boy up in a book. I want to see which one of those is correct and which one is not. There we go. There it is, number 13. Bring it over here so we can see it a lot better. Number 13, it has decals on this one right here. I have every one of these Volkswagens except for this butterscotch one down here. I don't have it. This one here from my thumb, I don't have that one there. I have all the rest of them. This one here I don't. These two I don't. I have all these. Don't have that. But anyway, yes. Okay, that's number 13. It's up at the very top. It would be the tallest one up there. It's 72 Tyco Pro, 75 Tyco Pro 2, and 76 Curve Hugger. Hurst without decals. I have both. They come on Tyco Pro 2, and they don't have the chrome wheels. So I don't know that type of chassis does have chrome wheels, but I'm not sure what vehicle it was supposed to be on. None of the Volkswagens get chrome. Oh, here's one that does. Nope, that's a curve hugger. But so I'm not sure. That's a kind of a rare chassis, and it needs to be on whatever it's supposed to be on. Not supposed to be on this car right here. So yes, that's a Hurst. It says Hurst on there. Yes, it's a drag Beetle, funny VW. It does reasonably. It does a 210, 216, yeah, 222, all right. 235, 240. I said 240. Alright, we'll put this one on there for a little bit, let it warm up. Yeah, that one's a lot faster than the other one. Put some Novus on this body. Shine her up. $75. There we go. Put a little Earl on it. I think it goes $271. Not too bad. What we got there? 256? Yeah, not too bad. Alright, let's put this bad boy on there. Ooh, that thing almost hit 3. Yeah, it hit 3, wow. 310. 320. Yeah, I've seen better days. Yeah, this bad boy here is a good runner here. Let's take these bad boys over to the track and let's do some laps with them. Laugh happy. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, I think something happened to this one. It was running real good there. Yeah, I need to take the motor out and clean off the little yeah, this one here runs great. This one here runs over 3, but when you get it on the track, it does not do that great. And it has chrome wheels. It's not supposed to have chrome wheels. But these little ends right here are probably a little bit corroded. Well, yeah, that's not the same as the other one. Yeah, the motor keeps speeding up and slowing down, so I think the armature is going bad. But I'll have to take it apart one of these Friday nights and clean it, see if that's the issue. That's a little more consistent now. Ain't too bad. All the decals. Yeah. Alright. There you have it, folks. Red Gold Hurst Funny VW. With and without decals. Hope you guys enjoyed these 2 cars. Yeah. This one here's got chrome wheels for some reason. We'll have to investigate that. Not supposed to. It's supposed to have these kind of wheels on it. Might have one up there that has the same wheels on it. Not too sure. If so, I will swap it out. I appreciate you guys coming in. If you're not signed up, you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not. Like I keep saying over and over, it's free. It's free. Just go ahead and click on it. Click on the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of those 2 cars. Tell me what you think of Tyco Pro 2s in general. You like them more than Tyco Pro 1s. Not as much as Curve Huggers and beyond. Appreciate it. Glad you guys came in. Hope you guys had a good time. Wasn't a waste of 15 minutes. And yeah. I will see you guys tonight. I'm doing a live tonight. I have 10 pit kits available. I'm going to build one. one of the three that I have two of. I have two of three of them, and I have four others. And yeah, we'll see you guys tonight. And yeah, have a good one. Later.